Hey there, welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into a common problem that can arise when using the HybridCache implementation with a Dragonfly instance as the distributed cache in .NET 9. The issue at hand involves caching an object that contains NodaTime's Instant property, which ends up being empty in the store. This can be quite frustrating, especially when you're expecting your cache to work seamlessly. Now let's get into the solution for this problem. The key here is to understand that the addSerializer method in HybridCache only applies to the main object being serialized, not to nested properties like the instant property in this case. In order to properly serialize objects containing NodaTime properties, you'll need to configure the JSON serializer options for those specific types, similar to how it's done when working with Mass Transit and RabbitMQ. By customizing the JSON serializer options to include settings for NodaTime, you can ensure that these properties are properly serialized and stored in the cache. In summary, when working with objects that have NodaTime properties within the HybridCache implementation, it's essential to customize the JSON serializer options to include settings for NodaTime serialization. This will ensure that your objects are serialized correctly and stored in the cache without any missing data. And with that, we've reached the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy coding!